Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Komshi benta ban pasotho yaki Paidbah nagabenta bakinlong ki bahusiar, yalade nagajing sapriang uknyang jingpang COVID-19, ka National Academy of Sciences India Northeast Regional Local Chapter Meghalaya, haka khatkandai tarik matabna jemmang arajar arpau, kala Jinghikai shiki Paidbah nongsong jongkasnong Mawlai Umshing Umjapung, haka jelang kabalalong haplau yeng mane jong ka Presbyterian Umshing Umjapung Shillong. Hakani gasngi nakalyang jogino penyat ke National Academy of Science India kila aitiru de ki face mask ki hand sanitizer bat ki mujakti shiki bor penyat jong ni kasnong kenang bakin yo sam shiki asha haba ki lejngo ikinong songsnong ki badang wan pai nabar kejala ki bala pensa ya menta shipor haki community quarantine center ki bala penkre de ki borsnong.
It's basically that my only request is now we are, I think COVID, our state is COVID free, we don't have any positive. But there are also chances, situations that, it will be very, very difficult to say that, this disease is not going to be there. But the worry that I face today is when our children are coming back home, we'll have to, or anybody coming back home, we'll have to accept them. Let's not be too scared of their coming back. Let them come back, but we'll have to protect them and keep them in a place so that it does not get spread. That's the most important thing we'll have to take care of. They need to come back, they will have to come back, but the only thing is, I think this block or locality has how we got to take care of. But I'm very happy that, when I drive through Mawlai, you all are very disciplined, believe me, you're extremely disciplined people. Don't see anybody without a mask, don't see any shops open when it is not to be open. When I come from Mawlai area, I feel sorry, the upper part. Life is so different, people, they know nothing, they know so much kind of a situation that side. But here you all are very disciplined and it's so happy to know all about that. We don't have to be told much. But we'll just try to hand over this so that the ASA workers and anybody who is helping the needy, and when people come, we accept them and we put them just to be protected. I think these small things are going to be useful. That's what we thought of giving it out. Thank you to Ranbashram for giving us this time. We will not take much of your time. Safe, healthy, and also accept our children or anybody who has expanded outside India come and access. Thank you.
Actually, what we are doing, when suddenly virus came, otherwise we are giving lectures on very important some basic topics. Already we have, the last year we have given some. Now we are thinking also once in the near future we will do here also. For virus I am not going to give lectures, but the only thing that you all know already, what you have to do, what not you have to do, all those things you know. And only thing that, as Professor Joshi told, that we have to live with it. And I am telling you, like say flu. In US, with flu, 5 to 10,000 people dying every year. So when this kind of flu, which is new one, as you all know, originated in China. When it originated, China also didn't tell how dangerous it is and how transfer from human to human. So most of these Western countries, they are not ready and accepting. They thought, okay, no problem, let it come, we'll tackle it. But then you all know what happened. But my point is that you cannot find a day where virus will be zero in India or some other place. It will be there. Maybe it is changing also, maybe milder. But what I am telling that your daily day-to-day life and lifestyle you have to improve, take good food, so your own immunity, own system will overcome it. You don't have to do like this. Only thing that yes, mask and hand sanitizer and don't gather in one place and all social distancing, that probably you have to maintain this whole year, almost. But gradually it will also dilute and it will go. But my point is that yes, you have to have a very good lifestyle. You have to improve good food. Your immunity will be strong and then it will overcome. Okay? So that's much I can say, and you should not be fear about this virus. Only thing that this coming 1 or 2 months we are passing through this kind of things. But I think very soon we will overcome it and we will start our daily life as we did earlier.
Let me give to Secretary of the It's been so nice. Thank you. Thank you. there are some very simple tips that we put. And we couldn't get, we'll try to give you more of the blood. Yeah. This is fun, but lovely, healthy fun.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Local police.
I think we need to take photograph. Our society will be very happy to. So nice.